Sheikh Abdul Kareem making wudu in the ocean. The Pacific, that is. May Allah reward you, brother.
Ameen, all of it.
Ameen. Yalla. Did you get your hands in?
Huh?
You wash your hands?
Yeah, I did that first.
Thank you, Allah, for this beautiful water. Hey, the Prophet said, he said, if you make wudu in the ocean, you only use what you need, man. Don't even waste the ocean water. Use what you need, brother.
It's going right back in here.
That's what the Prophet said. He said, if you make wudu in the ocean, you use what you need, man. You don't waste any water.
We gotta do our feet, you know, it's already in here.
Wash your feet, man. Every toe, right to left.
Now it's time to call her a dance.
Alright. I gotta
Leave it recording.
You got to close now?
Yeah, leave it record. Woo. You count it this way?
The ocean is exactly opposite west, bro. But
but we gotta go north too.
Yeah, the prayer rug say that way.
Whew, it's cold.
Me and Frisco at the beach, man. About to pray. Alhamdulillah. About to pray Maghrib, man. Probably issue too.
Making two different videos. This is a different.